Welcome. I'm Aurora J. Miller, and this meditation is designed to help you get a boost of energy naturally. No caffeine, no sugar, just your body's innate ability to provide energy when it's truly needed. This one is for all skill levels, so even if you've never meditated before, don't let that deter you. We're going to keep it fun, low stress, and quick so you can get back to your day. As always, we'll start with some breathing. For energy boosting, we want to aim for some nice deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. When we breathe through our nose, we typically bring in almost 20% more oxygen than when we breathe through our mouth. And that extra O2 is like jumper cables for our brain. So we want nice long inhales through our nose, ideally getting our chest to expand enough to stretch those muscles. Now, let's check in with our bodies. After a bunch of deep breathing, I almost always want to stretch out any tense muscles, but let's see what your body is craving. That's really the key to finding the energy we need, checking in with our body, because we'll each need something different, and it might be different at various times of day. Do we need more water? Dehydration often manifests as fatigue, so sometimes just chugging a glass of water will provide more real energy than a cup of coffee. Feel free to pause this audio and go get yourself some. Check in with yourself about your nutrition too. Have you had enough protein today? Protein provides between 5% and 15% of our daily energy, particularly if we've been engaging in any strenuous activities that increase muscle mass. And it can stabilize our blood sugar, so it's essential for our energy levels. But so are carbs, the natural go-to energy source, as well as the key vitamins and minerals in different vegetables and fruits. If we're not eating a rainbow of produce, there may be some nutritional pieces missing that can lead to a feeling of moderate fatigue. As you consider what you've been eating lately, do you notice any response in your body? Any feelings or sensations that indicate something missing that might be leading to lower energy? Do you have a sense of what you could do to address that and get your energy back up? Once we've checked in about hydration and nutrition, the next level is activity. Are we doing too much, too little, too long at the same thing? Boredom can also manifest as fatigue if our brain is getting overtaxed in one area, but not enough stimulation in others. Or if our body has spent too long in stillness, like sitting at a desk. The movement of our muscles actually helps our blood flow, bringing oxygen and other nutrients to our brain and other organs. My favorite way to get the muscles moving and oxygen flowing is a spontaneous dance party, even for just one song. Crank it up and get lost in it, which can also boost production of dopamine and serotonin, two of the feel-good neurotransmitters, bringing some energy of their own. Plus, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, if you can get another person to join you. Which brings us to the final consideration for what might boost your energy levels: socialization. Humans are social animals. We need the presence of others to be able to truly thrive. Even introverts need time being social, at least with one or two other people. And even extroverts need alone time every now and again. So if none of the other physical check-ins felt accurate, it might be time to consider whether you need more time with others or more time by yourself. That might be the missing puzzle piece for your energy levels. Body scans like we've just been doing are so helpful in building resilience. The more you do them, the more accurately you'll be able to assess your body's needs and determine what you need moving forward. So even if this felt challenging, it won't always. And you can always feel free to listen to this video and go through the exercise as often as you'd like. I hope you're feeling more energy now, or at least know what you need to do in order to get it. And seriously, consider the dance party. It's pretty amazing how your body responds when you really get into it. And of course, for other science-based strategies to help you live a happier life, come back to aurorajmiller.com.